The greatest enemy of success is not your background or your poverty stricken, illiterate parents or your humble family background or your government or your geographical location. The greatest enemy of success is you. Unless your mind changes, nothing changes. Success is not something you achieve, it is somebody you become. It is shocking how many people want to become successful without doing any work, yet success is often disguised as work and dressed in overalls. Money follows a successful person, it doesn't make you successful. The secret of success is hidden in books and old school wisdom, yet most people hate to read books. No wonder few people are successful. Don't be average. Even if you were born an average person, learn to extraordinary things and you will achieve extraordinary results. If you want to be successful, examine what everybody else is doing and do the opposite. Don't walk at the average pace. Thieves are always lazy. Being your day early. Wake up before everyone else. Some things are only available to early risers, and some things only happen at dawn. Take a cold shower daily. This will awaken your senses, put your brain to alertness, and push your body beyond limits. Push your body into regular exercise. This will enhance your brain health, generate new ideas and solutions, increase testosterone, enhance your sex life, and increase longevity. Never allow your body to become comfortable. Put it to task, and it will carry you to old age. Sympathize with it, and it will kill you before you get old. Success is something you take by force. No one will give it to you freely. To become successful, you become someone of value. To become successful, always deliver more than you are expected to do. Do not strive to make people happy. Strive to provide a solution. If you are in a competition with others, it's probably because you are better than them. Don't rush. You may lose the most valuable asset you have, your mind. Always eat well and have enough sleep. It will keep you healthy and happy. The most successful person in the world is not the man or woman with the most money. It is the man or woman with the most excellent health. In the USA, you are considered successful if you are a millionaire. In Africa, you are considered successful if you have a large family. Success is often infectious. Follow 5 successful people and you will be the average of them. If you want to know a successful person, watch their conversation. The manifestation of success is inevitable. Success is not something you are born with. It is something you choose. Successful people attract success. Success attracts successful people. The opposite of success is not failure. The opposite of success is procrastination. Successful people are not devoid of fear. They only have the great courage. The way of the successful is narrow and winded. Only a bunch of people follow it. Successful people accumulate wisdom. Unsuccessful people accumulate material things.